We heard you loud and clear. In response to our Instagram poll, many of you mentioned that you brew in my mug coffee subscription using AeroPress and Espresso brewer. So today I'm going to explore the versatility of the AeroPress and brew up a cup of Bolivian Arcangel Anaerobic washed red Catuai. The AeroPress is renowned for its versatility. This brewer can work with a variety of grind sizes. We'll be using a fine grind similar to what you'd use for stovetop or espresso. There are two key points to consider: brewing time and water temperature. Using water that's too hot and brewing for too long can result in over-extraction. This can make the coffee taste bitter and dry. When you finish brewing, it's always best to taste the coffee first. If you find the coffee flavor overwhelming, you can simply add some water to balance it out. I hope you enjoyed the world of AeroPress brewing, and happy brewing!